Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video. So recently, a lot of people have started working on the Hamster Bot again. Why? Well, it's because you still have earnings left from the first season. And as you begin working on the second season, your earnings will continue to grow, especially with the second airdrop. You might even earn more than you did in the first season. But there's something I noticed that I need to share with you all. Some important changes have been made to the bot, and I want to make sure no one misses them. One thing people aren't paying much attention to is the click mining feature. You're probably wondering, what is that? Let me explain. Before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month. And we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So, when you press the button, you might be thinking, hey, it's not mining, or my clicks aren't being counted, or nothing is happening. But here's the trick. See the number there? Give it a click. Go ahead, press it again. That number represents your coins. Back in the day, this is where your coins used to be displayed. Do you remember? So now, every time you click, that number will start increasing. Watch closely. If you keep clicking, you'll see it climb. Each click adds to your coins. So for those of you thinking you're stuck, you're not. Double-click, and you'll see the difference. Look at it now. It's climbing, right? It's counting up. It's speeding up. The more you try, the faster it mines compared to before. So I just wanted to point this out for everyone who's looking to mine and increase their coins by clicking. You can definitely do it. Keep clicking and watch your coin balance grow. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.